welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to recover SoundCloud password. So for that, open the SoundCloud application first. It will direct you to this home page. Here you need to tap on I already have an account, tap that. And on this page, you need to tap on forgot your password, tap on it. With that, you will need to provide the email address of your SoundCloud. Type in over here and then tap on reset my password. With this, an email for instruction about how to change the SoundCloud password will be provided to you in your email. So go and check your mail. There you can see the mail from SoundCloud. Click upon that. And here you need to click on here with the blue icon. Tap that for the recovery process of SoundCloud. It will direct you to this web page over here. Now you need to type in the new password for the account. Type in the new password over here. Retype the same password and then tap on save. This will save the changes for your SoundCloud password with the completion of recovering your SoundCloud password. So this is how you can recover SoundCloud password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.